So my husband had already opened it because I told him open it and check if everything is complete there, to be sure that it's not empty carton. So I had already broken the seal, and yeah, I'm coming. Let me check what's inside the box again. I be the bag. Okay, this is my receipt. So I got a memory card of 256 gigabytes. And then we have my big Extreme Pro. Well, if you've been watching a lot of videos about DJI, you will know that you need this kind of memory card for, sorry, my neighbors, with a card reader. And then we have the card. And then this we have, I don't know, this one. My husband had already scattered everything. I just tried to put everything back together so you see how it is. I think this is the case. Let me open it and see. Okay, inside, let me focus on it. And it says protective cover. Okay. I think the inserts things here. It's a wide angle lens. So this is where I put my wide angle lens and Black Pro mist. DJI. And then we have something else here again. So we have the manual. Oh no, this one is sealed. Oh, that's a lot of sensation. I don't know what it is, but I'll read up on it. And then this one, I don't know. And this one, okay, this is the data combo manual and safety guidelines. This is safety guidelines. And then we have this one, DJI forum. And then we have the quick start guide. Okay. So, okay, this one. Okay, that's a protective. And then I don't know if it came inside this nylon. I made everything apart because I told my husband to open the bag. So it looks, it's a leaflet for, I don't know what it's there. I shall write some plenty things here in Chinese. So I'm gonna open it. And yeah, so we have actual DJI. I'm going to install this off camera because I want to sit down. I'm already tired of, I'm standing doing this on my dining table. I'm already tired, so I'm going to do this off camera, and later on I'll be showing you. I'll even use it to vlog tomorrow because I'm going out. So later I'll be showing you how it really looks like. Okay, so let me put this carefully. And then I have this, but I don't know what this thing is. So I think this is the battery. Anyway, this is how it looks. And then I think I'll plug it. I think I'll now plug it here like this. I want to sit and set this thing properly. So we have this. Let me put it back. And then when I sit down, I will figure it out one by one. And then this one. I don't know what this is. Okay, I think this is a tripod. Let me open it. I think this is a tripod. Mini tripod. Okay. This is a tripod. Yeah. It's so lightweight. You guys, this thing is very lightweight. So that was what is inside this compartment here. I'm gonna put that back. Okay, let me separate it so that you'll see it properly. And then I think this is the transmitter. It has this transparent where you can see all the connections or something. I don't know. I've forgotten. Is it a panel? I don't know. Whatever. But this is how it looks like. Small. How it looks like. And then let me bring it out again. And then we have this. I don't know what this one is. What's this? I don't know what this is. Oh. I think this is extra handle. I don't know. I will figure it out. I don't know. Where am I even moving this sense from? I need to check it. So let me put it back. And then we have this one. I think it's a cable. We already know this kind of cable. This one. What's this? Oh, okay. Here's a tie. Just to handle it properly with your hand. Then you can make it snug. Like so. So your camera doesn't drop. Let me show you my hand. What it looks like. And then we have this. Hey guys, I'm already tired though. Okay, I think this is for my microphone for wind something sharp. It shall call something wind to protect, mics now and all this fluffy stuff that gives you a very crisp sound. So, okay, this is my silica gel. I don't know what's inside here. There's one tiny thing here. Oh, I think this is the wide angle lens. Yes, I can see 0. something mm there. I don't know if you can see it. Let me now open it. This is a wide angle lens, I think. So, okay, let me just show you. But I don't want to open it since I'm not using it now. Okay, for the sake of unboxing, let me just open it. I think it magnets to your camera when you turn it on. From the video I watched, you can see that's it. That's how it looks. So let me put it back. Let me just put it back gently. Okay, that's for that one. And then there's another thing here, another tiny thing. I think this is my mic. It's magnets anyway. I think this is a mic. I think this is my mic. I think this is my mic. I think this is. I can magnet it to my dress. I think so. I mean, how did this to do it? You guys. Oh, did you see that? It magneted. So I can. Wow, strong. So I can clip this to my dress. I can clip this to my dress and then magnet it from the front of my dress. Wow. Wow. Okay, that's good. Let me put it back gently. I will be back to it. So that's the small one I saw there. Okay, that's it. And yeah, that's finished. There's no other thing there. There's no other thing. There's no other thing. It's finished. No other thing. Yeah, you guys. This is everything now. So I'm going to do all this off camera because I'm tired. Let me not even lie. At least I have my camera now. Which is the slickness for me. So sleek. Oh, good things fit me. Oh, see my hand. See how it looks in my hand. Oh, good things fit me. Oh, I don't want to turn it off. I'll turn it off camera. I'll show you people later. But yeah, that's all you get in your Osmo Pocket 3 combo, creators combo. Yeah. Creators combo, so it comes with all the accessories. And yeah, so let me go and fix it off camera and enjoy. I start using my camera, charge it, and let me just even know this to do it safe. Because the video I watched is not enough with all these plenty things. It's not enough. I don't know, I'm happy. Thank God for providing. This is, if you know, long time coming. I've always wanted a camera. All the videos you see on my YouTube to this moment was done by all my Samsung phones. I'm a Samsung girl. So all the videos you've seen on my camera, and I've been on YouTube for 5 years. Well, I mean, I've been like on and off. Anyway, so, but any video you saw on my YouTube to this moment you're seeing this video was done by my Samsung phones. Like, I've used 2 different, I've been 3 safe. Is it 2 or 3? No, because my Samsung phone is to last that long ago. Let's say 2 phones, 2 Samsung phones, or 3 highest. Anyway, that's been used by 3 different models of Samsung phone, all my videos, and yeah. Now we have a camera. It's the portability for me, like very discreet. I don't need to stress myself. I love it. It's worth every penny. And then I heard if you're buying this, you just have to. Oh, it'd be good with color grading. It's obviously like it's obviously not like all those bigger cameras. I say Canon M5, I be M waiting. All those other high-end cameras that you see for 2.something million. All those ones. Never get that kind of money. And the truth is that I don't think what I'm doing will be necessary for me to have such cameras. I don't need it. I like this one. I'm a vlogger. I vlog my lifestyle, so I need that ease of going everywhere with my camera and people not knowing that I'm actually filming them. So yeah, that was why I went for this. And I just thank God. The thing with technology, things just keep coming up. Before, we didn't have such device like this now. But the way times are changing, I love it. Oh, I love it. God is good. We now have to do whatever we want to do with this portable device. And yeah, like, who wouldn't want that? And my goodness, you guys, tell me congratulations. It's not cheap. Oh, you already saw the amount. It's not cheap, but we thank God for his provision. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.